Okay, so guys, I guess it's time. Let's start. Okay, so welcome on board and सब लोग यहाँ पे आ गए हो and you guys have registered for the course successfully and सबके लिए एक बहुत अच्छी सी न्यूज़ है कि जो फॉर्म भरा गया था like we sent you the forms वो सब forms में maximum like 98% we have got correct entries. So cheers to you guys for that and उसकी वजह से प्रोसेस बहुत सिंपल हो गया है. Yeah, I can see your chat, but we are trying to make this session bilingual because people are more comfortable in this here. So let's start with the session. So yeah, so this is the Google Cloud Study Jams zero session and हम लोग यहाँ पे अभी ये पहला सेशन भी नहीं है, ये एक्चुअली जीरो सेशन है, तो यहाँ पे कोई भी टेक्निकल बात नहीं होगी. I'm just going to tell you about the courses जो अभी हमने register करा है जिन courses के लिए, how to redeem those access codes, and I think you guys have got the mail related to the access code. You guys have received the access codes, so अभी कोई भी उसको redeem मत करना. I'm going to tell you the procedure to redeem it. Then you'll start the process and then you'll do on the courses. So course की timeline क्या रहेगी, expire date of completion क्या है, ये सब हम ये अभी discuss करेंगे. And also about the swags, especially swags, because यहाँ पे सब शायद swags के लिए आए, I guess, है ना. So let's start this event and let me introduce myself. So I am Harsh and I'm a currently final year student of computer science department and I'm currently the cloud lead of Google Developer Student Club, and also we have our other leads with us also, the ML lead and the chapter lead of the club. So actually, as mentioned, I'm actually thrilled to be your guide today because we are going through this amazing journey, and this is not just a simple course that you do on Udemy and Coursera and stuff. This is going to be a great learning experience for all of you guys who have registered, and I guess yeah, you guys will learn a lot in this. So quickly, let's see what we are going to cover today. So अभी हम लोग बात करेंगे basis of cloud कि cloud actually होता क्या है, for those people who have been new to the cloud, because there are many second year people here and उनको अभी cloud के बारे में इतनी knowledge नहीं है, and also some third year also they don't have a knowledge about cloud, like what cloud is actually. So अभी हम क्लाउड के बारे में भी थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करेंगे एंड देन विल टॉक अबाउट व्हाट दी स्टडी जैम्स आर लाइक. नाम तो बहुत क्रेजी सा है कि स्टडी जैम्स, एंड है क्या ये स्टडी जैम्स, लाइक क्या होगा इसमें, तो इन चीजों के बारे में. देन उसके बाद आई लेट यू नो अबाउट द टू ट्रैक्स जो मेंशन थे, लाइक टाइटल ही मेंशन था उन टू ट्रैक्स के बारे में. देन मैं आपको डिटेल में बताऊंगा कि वो जो दो कोर्सेज हैं, दो ट्रैक्स हैं, वो क्या हैं. एंड देन विल डिस्कस के एक्सेस कोड कैसे रिडीम करना है, कैसे वो करना है. इससे पहले यार देखो, एक क्वेश्चन है मेरा. इस सेशन को इंटरैक्टिव रखना है, सो आई इंटरैक्टिव रखना है थ्रू माइक एंड ऑल, या लाइक चैट पे ही रखना है. यू गाइस कैन आंसर ऑन द चैट. हेलो. चैट ओके. ओके ओके ओके, ठीक ठीक ठीक, गॉट इट. सो ओके, देन उसके बाद ओके देन उसके बाद विल टॉक अबाउट द स्वैग्स एंड थ्रू आउट द सेशन हम हर चीज के साथ हर चीज से गो थ्रू होंगे. एंड उसके बाद अगर आपके मन में कोई भी क्वेश्चन अराइज होते हैं तो यू कैन आस्क स्ट्रेटली टू मी एंड टू द लीड एज वेल. We both are here to answer your queries and anything about this cloud or anything about GDS. You can even ask anything about the GDS also. So let's start. So what do you guys understand about cloud? Can anyone like want to come up and tell what they have their perspective about cloud, what cloud is. Anyone want to come up? I can bring him or her here, and like they can explain or they can tell us. Okay, it's a term used to describe global network of servers. Nice. Uh, so have you guys even ever thought that what the world would have been if cloud was not there? Like cloud अगर नहीं होता तो world कैसा होता? Like कैसी चलती? पूरा space हम लोगों का कैसा चलता? हम लोग का हम लोग कैसे communicate करते? चीजें कैसे चलती होती? Because cloud is not a very old technology. It's a relatively new technology. Okay, okay. You guys is answering about the cloud technology. Oh yeah, but even before the cloud was there, people were running websites now. So websites तो तब भी थी. Cloud से पहले internet was there, but cloud ने ऐसा क्या change कर दिया कि like everything was so like बिल्कुल ऐसे trend आ गया कि cloud. Yeah, actually, yeah. That answer is nice. Local machines are not required. Accessibility, nice. Increased efficiency, good. So यही होता है हाँ तो this is the actual requirement of the cloud. पहले क्या होता था like people used to have their physical servers. अब जब physical servers होते हैं तो बहुत सारे cost आ जाती है आपकी electricity का cost आ जाता है maintenance का cost आ जाता है और because they are big machines तो उनको wear off भी वो होते रहते हैं तो you have to constantly upgrade them and change their components cleaning बहुत सारे कॉस्ट आपके इंक्लूड हो जाते हैं और रिपेयर भी कराना पड़ता है लाइक कुछ खराब हो जाए तो सो ये सारे कॉस्ट और इतना सारा झंझट देन दे हैव टू यू हैव टू मेंटेन द होल हार्डवेयर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हार्डवेयर थिंग आल्सो लाइक only not the software cloud infrastructure but also the hardware so वो उसके लिए you have to hire an extra team तो बहुत सारे like कॉस्ट आपकी इंक्रीज हो जाती है जब आप फिजिकल सर्वर्स रखते हो जो कि क्लाउड के इंट्रोडक्शन से पहले people used to have these like physical servers in जो भी companies but then Google came, AWS came, Microsoft came with Azure and cloud technologies. So what they did, they created big server farms. Like they had so many servers. And if you guys go Google and search for data centers or server farms, you can see how many servers they have. Like बहुत बड़े-बड़े server farms होते हैं. एंड वहां पे वो लोग बहुत सारे सर्वर्स लाइक रखे होते हैं एंड यू कैन जस्ट रेंट देयर सर्वर्स एंड आपको कुछ नहीं आपको सिर्फ आपका पर आर या पर कुछ अमाउंट्स के लिए लाइक आप बैंडविड्थ के लिए पे कर सकते हो आप उनकी कंप्यूट पावर के लिए पे कर सकते हो आप किसी भी चीज के लिए जो भी वो सर्विस प्रोवाइड करा रहे यू कैन पे फॉर दैट एंड जितना आपको यूज करना है यू कैन ओनली पे फॉर दैट लाइक आपको पूरा मैनेज करने की जरूरत नहीं दे विल मैनेज ऑन योर बिहाफ so that was the technology that cloud service providers came up with. So यही टेक्नोलॉजी हम कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं लाइक वी ऑल आर डेवलपर्स एंड हमारे पास इतनी कंप्यूटेशन पावर्स हमारे पास भी नहीं है वी हैव स्मॉल लिटिल लैपटॉप्स और इनके पास इतनी कंप्यूटेशन पावर्स नहीं सो इफ यू वांट टू go with the AI or machine learning algorithms or heavy machine learning queries so आप लोग अपने लैपटॉप पे उतना स्ट्रांगली नहीं उसको रन कर पाओगे जितना आप क्लाउड पे कर सकते हो so this is just a basic understanding and cloud is mainly used for delegating the work that cannot be done on a physical or local machine ठीक है तो let's move on and let's see कि कैसे like ये चीजें हुई कैसे क्लाउड आया so yeah so देखो टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत ज्यादा तेजी से हमारे इंक्रीज हुई है लाइक वी पीपल यूज्ड टू हैव think about it now we used to have when we was just small kids we used to have those small phones that those so call के लिए होते थे well like I was born in a time then those time the mobile phones भी like they were not common so उसके बाद then बहुत small वाले mobile phones आए बहुत छोटे वाले वो keypad Nokia के जो छोटे छोटे आते थे they came into existence and wireless technology थोड़ी सी boom करी थी देन उसके बाद और भी बहुत सारी चीजें आई धीरे धीरे इंटरनेट गेम कंप्यूटर्स आ गए बहुत अच्छे अच्छे देन इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी के आ गई एंड बेसिक एचटीएमएल और सीएसएस की हम लोग वेबसाइट्स यूज करा करते थे जब तब तक जावास्क्रिप्ट वाज नॉट इन फैशन तो हम लोग एचटीएमएल और सीएसएस की बेसिक स्टैटिक साइट्स यूज करा करते थे एंड देन धीरे धीरे टेक्नोलॉजी एडवांस होती जा रही है फाइनली 2011-12 से वी स्टार्टेड हैविंग एडवांस कंप्यूटर जिससे मशीन लर्निंग पॉसिबल हो गई मशीन लर्निंग पहले से एग्जिस्ट करती थी बट हमारे पास इतने कंप्यूटेशन पावर नहीं थी कि मशीन लर्निंग हम कर पाए सो नॉर्मली वहां से मशीन लर्निंग स्टार्ट हो गई उस पर रिसर्च शुरू हो गई देन इन लाइक 2012 में हम लोगों की पहली क्लाउड सर्विस AWS ने अपने आप को फुल्ली फंक्शनल बहुत सारे फंक्शनैलिटी के साथ लॉन्च करा था एंड वो बूम हिट करा था उन्होंने 2012 में एंड उसके बाद से दे स्टार्टेड हैविंग जस्ट अ सेकंड yeah, they started having many cloud services over them. Like many companies started collaborating with AWS and hosting their websites on AWS. And then Google Cloud came to overtake AWS, and Google Cloud came up with larger variety of tools and suites. So they offered so many things that AWS was not able to, and then Google Cloud became the whole main cloud infrastructure. Like there was even an ad that became famous where Google showed that a physical cloud came over to a city and everyone was like connected to that through an internet connection or through a wireless connectivity. So that's what cloud is. So do you guys have any question about cloud? अगर कुछ क्लियर ना हुआ हो तो कोई क्वेश्चन है किसी के पास किसी के पास क्वेश्चन नहीं सबको क्लियर हो गया how can cloud be useful to companies or individual okay cloud I told you like we can reduce our cost and maintenance in using cloud like we don't have to give the maintenance costs don't have to take the headache about the maintenance we only use the services that we pay for like if you pay for certain like compute power then you only pay for that only like if you use very less compute power then you pay for that on that quota only you don't have to pay for the entire like server so that also made the services cheaper and people who were like individual app creators were making profits. Okay, structure of cloud. Well, structure of cloud is pretty complex. Cloud consists of many servers. Servers are basically computers that are connected in a huge network, like they are called data centers. They are connected in a mesh-like network, and they have a uh, so master server frame they are like mainframe computers they are a master mainframe which manages the whole data center and routes every like request to each of the computers and when you like get like for example if you get a cloud run in Google Cloud then you just occupy a small space in any one of the servers that are there on the Google's data center so that is what the structure of cloud. We'll get onto the structure of the cloud in later Google sessions, study jam sessions. That is somewhat a complex topic to understand. How they work more efficiently. Yeah, company actually when you create a server by yourself, you have to hire a team, and that team may or may not make your cloud like make your सर्वर 100% यूटिलाइज, लाइक उसका 100% यूटिलाइजेशन नहीं हो पाता है। ओके, सो अगर वो 100% यूटिलाइज नहीं हो रही है तो वो एफिशिएंट कैसे, लाइक कह सकते हो आप उसको कि एफिशिएंट है। बट जब आप क्लाउड सर्विसेज में देखते हो, लाइक सिंगल सर्वर आप उसको 33% यूज कर रहे हो, देन यू हैव रेंटेड आउट द अदर 67% टू अदर पीपल। सो उसका 100% यूटिलाइजेशन हो रहा है, आप अपना 33% यूज कर रहे हो, एंड जो 67% आपने रेंट आउट कर रखा है आपको उसका भी पैसा आ रहा है। सो आप देखो ना, यहाँ से आपकी एफिशिएंसी बढ़ जाती है, यू आर यूजिंग और 100%, लाइक पूरा पूरा सर्वर यूज हो रहा है। How did cloud give us the capability to compute big calculations? Well, cloud के पास mainframe cloud के पास बहुत high computation powers होती है. They distribute your problems into smaller problems, and they calculate that uh, cohesively, like network based operating system अगर आपने पढ़ा होगा, तो network based operating system is what is operated on the cloud. Well, क्वेश्चंस बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स आ रहे हैं फॉर द जीरो सेशन, एंड अगर मैं यही एक्सप्लेन करता रहूंगा तो पूरा सेशन इसी में निकल जाएगा। तो अगर किसी को ऐसे बेसिक्स ऑफ क्लाउड में प्रॉब्लम हो तो वो बताओ, फर्दर आप नेक्स्ट सेशन से बिल्कुल जो क्वेश्चंस पूछने बड़े बड़े सारे आंसर करेंगे, ठीक है। Like if I want to say definitions to high school student, how can I say about it in simple terms, like cloud definition? Uh, cloud definition, you can say that it is just a single big server unit that is able to host multiple servers, like it can provide service to multiple companies, like Zomato is using a same cloud, similarly Swiggy is using that cloud only, and if you say Byju's is using the same cloud, Grow is using the same cloud, Cred is using the same cloud, Hotstar is using the same cloud, they all are using the same cloud service, but they all are different companies, they all have different data, they all have different services, but their servers are located into the same cloud service providers. So cloud is simply a service provider that gives you the like computers, like machines, hardwares to work on, resources actually. Okay, so let's move on. So what is Google Cloud? Google Cloud, as I explained, cloud, and Google has also created their cloud platform. So Google Cloud is basically Google uses its own cloud for like YouTube, Gmail, and all stuff, and it also rent out their cloud to people like us and all the creators. Well, you guys will be getting some credit for the Google Cloud, so that you can learn the things and practice all the components. Like majority of the components, आप लोग practice कर लोगे. How do AWS, Azure, and Google differs in their on their services, and is there any differences? मेजॉरिटी इनके सर्विसेज में बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंसेस नहीं है, मोस्टली वही ऑप्टिमाइजेशन में डिफरेंसेस आ जाते हैं, बट सर्विसेज मोस्टली सारे के सारे सेम प्रोवाइड करते हैं, बट इनकी पॉलिसीज में डिफरेंस है, लाइक हाउ दे ऑपरेट इज द डिफरेंस, लाइक दे क्लाइंट के साथ कैसे ऑपरेट करते हैं, बस इसमें इनके डिफरेंसेस मेन है, बाकी तो वही है कि दे यूज डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, लाइक एज्योर यूजेस विंडोज एनटी कर्नल, जो कर्नल अज्योर यूज करता है वो विंडोज एनटी होता है, जो हम लोग के विंडोज का कर्नल है बेसिकली वही कर्नल यूज करता है वो सर्वर के लिए, बट गूगल और AWS uses their own Linux, like Linux based operating system that they have made, and similarly Google use their own self made Linux operating system on there. So ये basic का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डिफरेंस है, बाकी सर्विसेज में थोड़ा सा नाम चेंज हो जाता है, एंड सबके पास अपने इनोवेटिव आइडियाज हैं, इनोवेटिव सर्विसेज हैं, तो दे कम अप विद दैट सॉल्यूशन. व्हिच लैंग्वेज इज कंसीडर्ड फॉर क्लाउड? वेल, क्लाउड में कोई ऐसी लैंग्वेज नहीं होती है, यू गाइस कैन डू एनीथिंग, बट या अगर आपको इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट करना है तो देयर आर मेनी फ्रेमवर्क्स, वो हम आगे लाइक इस कोर्स के सेशन के बाद, लाइक फ्रॉम अक्टूबर और नवंबर में हम लोग वो चीज शुरू करेंगे. आपको डॉकर और क्यूबरनेटीज सीखना पड़ेगा टू डिप्लॉय थिंग्स ऑन क्लाउड, एंड उसके लिए YAML लगती है, YAML. सो वो एक बहुत सिंपल सी लैंग्वेज होती है, मार्कडाउन टाइप की लैंग्वेज होती है, एंड बहुत सिंपल होती है वो, बस आपको चीजें डिफाइन करने में हेल्प करती है कि कैसे आप चीजें डिफाइन. Uh, so yeah, you guys clear about Google Cloud, right? Google has its own cloud that it uses for everything, for its own services, as well as it rent out its cloud to other customers and consumers, and they also utilize the Google Cloud platform. I'll come up with some interesting facts actually in later on slides, that how Google Cloud come up with different APIs. Actually, Google Cloud have different APIs. So many cool APIs that you will just be mind blown to learn about. Even in this course, we are going to learn about such type of an API. So let's move forward. Like, so what? Why Google Cloud certification? Why this course actually? So this course is really important. Like you can do any course. Like आप Udemy पे कोर्स कर सकते हो, आप Coursera पे कोर्स कर सकते हो, आप NPTEL के कोर्सेज कर सकते हो. Why this course? आप मतलब यही कोर्स क्यों? आप think about it कि आप Coursera पे कोर्स कर रहे हो, आप Udemy पे कोर्स कर रहे हो. Those are available throughout the year, and you have to sometimes pay a certain price for them, and you can get the certificates. So that's easy to do. Like anyone can do that. Anyone can purchase their course and complete that course and get the certificate. But think about it. Google only launches this cloud campaign, like this cloud campaign, only 2 times a year, and that is only for a month. Like this is for a September, and next cloud campaign will be in the April. So see how rare the application stage is. And also each campus is provided with a limited seats. So for our campus and for even all the campuses, there were only 150 seats available for registration. So you think if you have registered for this course and if you complete this course, then you already became an class that who have this Google certificate, and Google certificates are like extremely rare. So this is why it is necessary to have this Google Cloud certifications. And also, when we say that we have like Google Cloud certification, we can also say that yeah, we are career ready. Like Google Cloud में अभी career बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से open up हो रहा है, क्योंकि जितने भी आप लोग startups देख रहे हो, any startup you say, name one startup, guys, just name one startup. मैं आपको बताऊंगा क्लाउड कैसे यूज करता है. Everyone is using the cloud today, है ना? कोई भी startup आप देखो, everyone is using the cloud. So क्लाउड आज की डेट में बहुत डिमांडिंग स्किल होती है. और आप इवन अपने अराउंड देख लो, इवन इन आर कॉलेज लाइक पीएसआईटी में आप देख लो, आप अपने अराउंड कितने लोग क्लाउड के बारे में नॉलेज रखते हैं? नहीं ना. बट आप अगर ये कोर्स करते हो तो आपको क्लाउड के बारे में नॉलेज होगी, एंड दैट इज सर्टेनली अ ग्रेट स्किल टू लर्न अबाउट. ठीक है. तो इसी से हम लोग आगे बहुत सारी आगे चीजें सीख सकते हैं थ्रू दिस क्लाउड सर्टिफिकेशन. और ये आपको ऐसे रेज्यूमे पे बहुत अच्छा आपको बूस्ट देगा, क्योंकि गूगल का सर्टिफिकेट है ऑफ कोर्स. Cool, you working in GCP, that's cool. So yeah, you are going to learn from Google itself. Like Google trains, Google employees have created this course. So yeah, they are training you guys. And of course, there is a career advantage for this course. And the third point, that is the most important point, community-based learning. So Google has already been like promoting open source. Google हमेशा से ऐसे रहा है कि open source, open source, open source, and Android is also an open source software, open source thing. And Kubernetes, if you have heard about, वो भी एक okay, Kubernetes also is an open source thing. So all these open source products are mainly because Google want to create a community of people who learn and develop these products, who maintain these products for free, and they are available like for free. You see, Google's products are mostly available for free. You see, YouTube, they don't ask money from you. Like you can use YouTube, you can use Gmail, you can use any maximum of the Google software, and they don't ask you for money. So they even support this type of ideology that everything should be open source and community based. So community based learning क्या होती है? So community based learning is simply when you learn with your peers. Like in this classroom, like if you guys are connected all together, and if you guys like talk to each other and help each other solve problems, like even in this course, if a person comes up with a problem and other people just help him or her with that problem, and you guys just move ahead together, that's what community based learning is. So that is what is required in these type of courses. And अभी मैं बताऊंगा कि ये चीज क्यों necessary है. And for the people who have not registered for this course, I'm very sorry कि आप लोगों ने इसके लिए register नहीं करा. And next year, like in April, this course will come again, and आप लोग then register कर सकते हो. It's not a very big deal. So yeah, this was it. And what are study jams? So study jams क्या होते हैं? Like जो हम अभी ये हो रहा है, this is a zero session. तो ऐसे study jam हम लोग रखने नहीं वाले हैं. Like इतना शांत से मैं ही बोल रहा हूँ और इसके स्टडी जैम्स अवेलेबल हैं और यही मतलब यही हो रहा है. तो ऐसे स्टडी जैम्स लाइक मैं भी नहीं चाहता रखना. मैं भी चाहता हूँ थोड़ा सा इंटरैक्टिव वे में स्टडी जैम्स रखेंगे, बट you guys said only in the chat only, so that's why we are keeping only this one chat only. Next on from next study jam onwards, we are going to have interactive session. Everyone is going to be there, and everyone will have to like open their mic and answer in an interactive way. So study jam क्या होगा कि we are going to learn together. If certain people like will come to a call like this, come to a meeting like this, and we'll go through that weekly, like every weekend हम लोग रखेंगे, and हम लोग week की progress देखेंगे, like किसकी progress अच्छे से हो गई, and किसी को कोई queries होंगी तो we'll deal with that queries. And if anyone want to solve each other's query, then they can also come up with that. Like if anyone asks a question, then and other people know that answer, then he or she can come up and answer him and help him like that. तो और यहाँ पे ना आप लोगों को एक दूसरे की हेल्प मोस्टली करनी पड़ेगी, बिकॉज मैं अगर सबकी हेल्प करने बैठूंगा, वी हैव लाइक 140 स्टूडेंट्स रजिस्टर्ड फॉर दिस कोर्स, एंड अगर मैं इंडिविजुअली 140 स्टूडेंट्स की हेल्प करूंगा तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी हेक्टिक फॉर मी. सो या कम्युनिटी बेस्ड लर्निंग इसी से आती है. लाइक स्टडी जैम इज आल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ कम्युनिटी बेस्ड लर्निंग. तो स्टडी जैम क्या देता है आपको? इंटरैक्टिव लर्निंग, दैट व्हाट वी आर नॉट हैविंग राइट नाउ. बट ओके ठीक है, नेक्स्ट सेशन से वी आर गोइंग टू बी लर्निंग हैंड्स ऑन stuff, and also we are going to have an interactive session. So we also have a structured curriculum, and the curriculum we are going to follow will be that path you are having in your Google Cloud Skill Boost. And we are also having the community support. Of course, we are having the support from Google itself. Community members and their mentors are directly in contact with us, and we are being trained about the Google Cloud, and also about the queries that you guys may come up with, and we are going to tell you about that. Okay, ठीक है, okay, I'm keeping the session bilingual, of course, क्योंकि यहाँ पे यार देखो मुझे भी पता है, मैं भी नहीं चाहता कि कोई ऐसे किसी मतलब लैंग्वेज बैरियर आए या ऐसा कुछ आए. सो बाइलिंगुअली रखते हैं, नॉर्मल हम लोग ऐसे बात करेंगे. एंड चलो, कम्युनिटी सपोर्ट से याद आया, आर यू गाइज अ पार्ट ऑफ एनी कम्युनिटी, लाइक अपार्ट फ्रॉम GDSC or Google Cloud Study Jams? Are you a part of any community? Like I'm giving a poll, you can just scan the QR code and answer that. If you guys already a part of a learning community or an open source community, you guys can just answer like हम लोग like क्या पता common communities निकलना है, तो you guys can answer. Okay, voice break हो रहा है. Okay guys, voice break हो रहा है क्या? Am I audible? Okay, answer. Wait. Okay, you guys can scan this QR code and answer like what communities are you part of? Okay, we are waiting. Just you guys can answer. We are stopping here for like a minute or two. Okay, AWS Cloud, Tech Kirti. Okay, if you are a part of AWS cloud, then you must be knowing what cloud is, how to use cloud services. Have you guys used Postman? Postman also has a great community, and some of the communities I am a part of as we make devs, and CNCF is a great community. If you guys are a part of, yeah, DevTown is a great community.
Are leads allowed to answer to in this?
Yeah, you can.
Hello?
Yeah, you can.
I mean, I just wanted to slide in for Postman and CNCF. I'm also a part of them. Also, Meshery.
Oh, nice. So yeah, that was your lead actually. She's a part of CNCF. And what you said?
Meshery. Meshery is also an open source organization.
Okay, that's nice. So you guys can also like join these communities if you have heard of, and we guys can like connect there also. So yeah, like let's move forward and let's talk about the courses that we are going to have. Like, okay, we are going to have two amazing courses. So yeah, we have these two exciting tracks for you guys. And the first one is the Gen AI arcade game, and this is actually the interesting part. And then the other one is the Google Cloud Computing Foundations. So it is actually a foundations course. We in this course, like Google Cloud Foundation GCCF, I'll be telling you about this first. So GCCF is the like the basics course, like how to use Google Cloud, how to set up Google Cloud, and how to use it, like how you can deploy your projects, how you can create databases, how you can do networking in Google Cloud, how you can use their APIs. Like they have really good pre-made APIs for certain things. uh, they have an API for creating a chatbot. If you want to create a chatbot, then they have a API called Dialogflow. So you can use that API only to create a chatbot for yourself. You don't need to code that whole chatbot. You can use the pre-made API that Google provides. Like that only, Google provides so many other APIs. So that will be mostly maximum of the APIs will be covered in the GCCF course, and you'll be also knowing about the networking between some of the services, how they interact, how you connect multiple services, how you host different websites or web apps or backend servers or any like a machine learning thing or any of the services onto the Google Cloud. How you guys can register the Google Cloud. Guys, if we register the session, means we also registered for course too. Now, I didn't know whether I am committed with the course or not. We can someone kindly tell me? Yeah, I can tell you, bro. So this course came back like 3 4 days ago, and this is a course offered by Google for free for GDSC students of each of the colleges that are registered in GDSC. And these two courses are going to be for a 1 month period, 1 month period. So actually, these are courses are available to the students for a period of 1 month, and they can complete these courses, have good badges, certificates, and as well as if they complete it according to the criteria that I'm going to tell you soon, they will also get swags like t-shirts, bottles, and laptop bags also. So this is what this course is all about. So yeah, so that I told you about the GCCF. So then the Gen AI arcade game. So Gen AI is actually generative AI. So generative AI का कोई एग्जांपल दे सकता है, like if anyone know of? एक बहुत अच्छा, like हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा यूज करते हैं जनरेटिव एआई आजकल. या चैट जीपीटी. सो चैट जीपीटी हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा यूज करते हैं. is if you guys don't know that Chat GPT is also a generative AI. So what generative AI is, it uses large language models or LLMs. So on LLMs के through, it processes your input, like whatever you say to it, and it processes and finds an appropriate output and gives you that. Yeah, Google Bard, Da Vinci, Midjourney, they all are generative AIs. So Google also has an API called Vertex AI. So Vertex AI is actually all about generative AI. If you search about on Google on Vertex AI, you'll simply found how you can implement that AI interface onto your apps and use generative AI in your applications. DAL-E is also a generative AI. Midjourney is a generative AI tool. ChatGPT is a generative. So these all are. So in this course, you are going to create a game, actually a game using generative AI. So this course will be available. So this course will be available from 18th of September and will be available to complete. So last date of completion will be 30th of September. So you will be having like 12 days to complete this course, and this course has actually 9 labs. So for people who wanted to get swags and certificates, have to complete both of the courses. And for the and for this course, like GCCF is starting from today only. You guys have gotten the email. If not, then you can check your emails that you have registered with the Skill Boost account. Like check all the emails, go through everywhere. Like they can be in the updates folder, they can be in the spam, they can sometimes be in promotions. So go through every like folder and search if you have got the email or not. So if you have not gotten the email, then you can reach out to the support team. So this is the email that you need to reach out to. You can screenshot this and reach out to them only from the registered email that you have registered on the skill boost, like that you have provided in the form. That was your Google Cloud Skill Boost account. You can reach out to them that you have not gotten the code. Well, most of you have gotten the code. So kindly, please just check your mails right now and tell me that how many of it not gotten the code. Like you like guys don't have the code. How much time we need to spend in this 12 days course daily. It is not a 12-day course, it is available to you for 12 days. You can even complete that course in a single day, or you can take 12 days or 12 whole days. You just have to complete 9 labs. So I'll be taking the session, so I'll be just covering your queries कि आप लोगों को कैसे complete करनी है lab सारी की सारी. Like अगर किसी को बहुत ज्यादा problems होती है तो I can also provide them answers and the cheat sheets about the course. अगर कोई बहुत ज्यादा like फंस जाता है तो आई विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग द चीट शीट्स इन द लास्ट वीक ऑफ द मंथ के अगर नहीं आप कोर्स पूरा कर पाते हो तो यू कैन गो थ्रू दैट एंड कंप्लीट द कोर्स. Total time and duration, so that's what I told you na. The Gen AI course that is stated here is starting from 18th of September and will be available till 30th of September. And GCCF course that is starting from today only and till 2nd of October. So you have to complete the GCCF. GCCF has 37 labs, so you have to complete the GCCF before 2nd of October, and you have to complete Gen AI before 30th of September, starting from 18th of September. So you have to complete both the courses to be eligible for swags. Okay, how to redeem access codes. Okay, me didn't get any code. So guy, Shivam, you registered for the like for that. You registered the form, right? Maybe you were late or something. Okay, I'll receive the complete list of candidates who have received who have registered successfully tomorrow. So I'll just ping me in the DM. So till then, I'm just sending a group invite link to you guys so that you guys can join the group we have for this. So you guys can just join this group, and this group is actually for the study jam sessions, and you guys can here communicate and answer each other's queries. तो अगर किसी को भी कोई क्वेरी होगी तो आप एक दूसरे से पूछना है, एक दूसरे का कोर्स आपको कंप्लीट करवाना है, आपको एक दूसरे की हेल्प करनी है. दिस इज नॉट अ कंपटीशन. हियर वी आर एज अ टीम पीएसआईटी, हम पीएसआईटी को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. वी आर टुगेदर इन दिस. लाइक आप लोग ऐसे अलग अलग कोई रेस नहीं कर रहे हो, यू गाइस आर टुगेदर इन दिस. तो आप लोगों को एक दूसरे का कोर्स भी पूरा कराना है. So let's see how you guys can like receive the access code or like redeem the access code. Yeah, so I have this video for you. Yeah, you have got this mail, right? You must have gotten this mail. If not, then kindly just pay a DM me. I'll let you know. Yeah, for this step, for guys who have to log in through Google, they can log in through Google. And yeah, for this video is also provided in your mail, so you can just check out the mail, and there's a like link given there to watch video, and you can just watch the video there. So yeah, you just have to complete this lab here onwards, and I'm going to just show you how you can complete this lab at the end. So it's just a simple lab. After you complete this lab, the whole course will be available to you. Okay. Ayush, have you like registered for the course? Like the form you have you filled the form that was sent in the college official group? You can check all the email accounts, like the email accounts that you have given in your all the email accounts, like the email account you given in your skill boost profile, skill boost form, like उसमें जो email दिया था, you guys can check out that email ना. Okay, let the list come. I'll let you know that your registration was like accepted or not. If it would have a false registration entry, like if there would be a typo, then वो accept नहीं हुआ होगा. Okay, so this was all about the course, and you guys can just go there and see this video. And I'm also going to share a article in the group that also contains the answers for this first lab, and because you just have to score 100% in this lab to be eligible for doing the course. So I'm going to put in the article that have 100, like that have the like all the answers of this lab. So let's just move on. This is all about the things, and let's yeah. So the main thing जिसके लिए सबने ये course भरा, एक्चुअली और सब लोग यार एक बार बता दो कि यही चीज थी ना जिसकी वजह से कोर्स वाला सर्टिफिकेट की वजह से किसी ने नहीं भरा होगा, सही से बता, स्वैग्स की वजह से किसने किसने भरा था? यार मैंने खुद स्वैग्स की वजह से भरा है, हम लोग खुद ही ऐसे कंडक्ट ये इतना कंडक्ट करा रहे हैं, लाइक स्वैग्स ही तो मेन चीज होती है। सर्टिफिकेट तो रेज्यूमे में जाएगा। या सो देखो कुछ कुछ ऐसे ऐसे कुछ कुछ ऐसे स्वैग्स मिलेंगे, लाइक लास्ट ईयर के स्वैग्स थे। इस साल हो सकता है कुछ डिफरेंट हो स्वैग्स में। हमें मतलब बताया गया है कि यार थोड़ा सा स्वैग्स क्या क्या होंगे, बट मे डिफर, लाइक जो चीजें दिखाई गई हैं एग्जैक्टली ऐसा नहीं होगा। ठीक है। एंड या सो सॉरी गाइस इफ यू हैवंट रजिस्टर्ड। हमारे पास फिर भी यार थोड़ी सीटें खाली थी, एंड फिर भी लाइक वी स्प्रेडेड एवरीथिंग, फिर भी लोगों ने रजिस्टर नहीं करा। तो दैट्स नॉट आवर फॉल्ट, बट आया, अगर ये आपको आप इससे इंस्पायर हो रहे हो, देन नेक्स्ट मंथ भी कुछ ना कुछ सेशंस ऐसे आते रहेंगे, सो यू गाइस कैन रजिस्टर इन देम आल्सो। सो या ये स्वैग्स तो हो गए, लाइक हाँ स्वैग्स मिलेंगे, बट स्वैग्स कम मिलेंगे ये भी एक क्राइटेरिया है। वी आल्सो हैव अ क्राइटेरिया फॉर स्वैग्स। सबको स्वैग्स नहीं मिलेंगे, तो एक बार देख लो। सो देखो वी हैव 3 tiers। ठीक है, लाइक वी हैव अ tier 1, वी हैव अ tier 2 एंड वी हैव अ tier 3। सो टियर क्या है, ये स्टूडेंट्स का टियर नहीं है, ये कॉलेज का टियर है। So we have like 120, 130 registrations. You can assume we have 120. We still do not have the exact count, the accepted registrations by the Google. We'll have it by tomorrow. I'll just post it in the group. Just join the group. Okay. So for tier 1, 80 people have to complete the whole course, like the both the courses, like for the and Gen AI and the GCCR. Like all the 37 labs of the GCCR, 9 labs of the Gen AI. Like 80, if 80 people complete, then we'll be in tier 1, and each of the first 80 people to complete that course will get a sticker sheet, a bottle, a laptop bag, and a T-shirt from Google. Okay, that's tier 1, that's the highest tier will get. Okay, then comes to the tier 2. If like 80 people agar nahi kar pate hain, so we have a tier for 60 people. So if 60 people completes the course, then you guys will have one t-shirt, one bottle and a sticker sheet, like to all the 60 people. सिर्फ first 60 को ही मिलेगा, फिर ऐसा नहीं है कि like 79 करेंगे तो भी first 60 को ही मिलेगा। सो ट्राई टू गो विद 80, और 80 आप कैसे करवाओगे आपको भी पता है, लाइक यू गाइस हैव टू हेल्प ईच अदर। सब आप एक दूसरे की हेल्प करोगे तभी हम 80 क्रॉस कर पाएंगे। आपको एक दूसरे के करवाने ताकि आपका आपको भी अच्छे स्वैग्स मिल सके, आपको भी ज्यादा चीजें मिल सके, तो आपको एक दूसरे की हेल्प करानी पड़ेगी। उसके लिए हमारे ग्रुप्स हैं, और ग्रुप में भी अभी मैं डिस्कॉर्ड चैनल का आपको लिंक दूंगा, सो हु आर कंफर्टेबल विद डिस्कॉर्ड, एंड जो नहीं भी है वो भी सीख जाएंगे, कोई ऐसी बड़ी बात नहीं है। सो यू गाइस कैन जॉइन डिस्कॉर्ड आल्सो, एंड यू गाइस हैव टू हेल्प ईच अदर। सो अगर किसी को कोई भी क्वेश्चन क्वेरीज आए तो डालो ग्रुप में, एंड एवरीवन कैन आंसर दैट, लाइक कोई भी आंसर कर सकता है। यू शुड आंसर, इफ यू नो द सॉल्यूशन देन यू शुड आंसर, आपका ही बेनिफिट होगा इसमें, आपका ही टीयर अपग्रेड हो जाएगा। So this is about the second tier, and the tier 3 में हमको सिर्फ टी शर्ट और स्टिकर शीट मिलेगी, and that is only for the 40। अगर एक first 40 अगर complete कर लेते हैं तो उनको first 40, जो अगर 40 students like from 40 to 59 students अगर हम लोग cover करते हैं, first 40 students को एक टी शर्ट और स्टिकर शीट मिलेगी। Then simply समझो, if we cover till like 60, अगर हम 60 क्रॉस कर लेते हैं तो सभी 60 स्टूडेंट्स को tier 2 की चीजें मिलेंगी, और अगर हम 80 क्रॉस कर लेते हैं तो 80, वो सारे के सारे 80 स्टूडेंट्स को tier 1 की चीजें मिलेंगी। टारगेट हम लोग 80 का करेंगे कि हमको 80 क्रॉस कर लें ताकि सबको बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया स्वैग्स मिले, एंड जब सब कॉलेज में पहन के घूमेंगे ये टी शर्ट्स तो लाइक बहुत अलग फील होगा। ठीक है, तो यही हम लोग का पूरा सेशन था, एंड यही बताना था मुझे आपको कि कैसे ये एक्चुअली स्वैग्स का सीन है, क्योंकि स्वैग्स सबको ऐसे नहीं मिल रहे हैं, तो यू गाइस हैव टू डू हार्ड वर्क, आपको कोर्स करना पड़ेगा, एंड कोर्स जब आप ऐसे करोगे एंड एक दूसरे की हेल्प करोगे तो यू गाइस विल लर्न अ लॉट। ठीक है, एंड फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट सेशन ऑनवर्ड्स वी आर गोइंग टू हैव इंटरैक्टिव सेशंस, सो बी इन कीप इन माइंड कि हाँ नेक्स्ट सेशन से यू गाइस हैव टू बी इंटरैक्टिव। You guys have to come up to, here and answer some questions, explain certain things, and some people who are interested in presenting this study jam sessions with me can contact me through the group, through my personal number, or can ping me on LinkedIn. Can also meet me in person in college as well. You can just reach out to me. College में कोई problem नहीं है. You guys can, if you guys find me, then you can reach out to me. वैसे well बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है सही में कॉलेज में रियल में लोगों को ढूंढना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. Okay. So now let's just have a Q&A session. आप लोग just एक Q&A session एक रखते हैं and each one of you can answer. I'm just starting the Q&A session. Okay, see, there is a Q&A board there. You guys can just ask your questions. And if you guys want to come like here on, I'm in like final year student, CS 4. अगर कोई क्वेश्चन हो यार स्वैग से रिलेटेड, क्लाउड से रिलेटेड, कोर्स से रिलेटेड, कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो किसी के भी माइंड में, यू गाइस कैन आस्क. Yeah, if you have no idea about cloud, then there is no problem because इस course की ना कोई prerequisite नहीं है. This course is actually for absolute beginners. They are going to tell you everything about the cloud, like from zero to like hero. Yeah, they're going to tell you everything about that, like how the cloud works, how the cloud is made, how the Google Cloud came into existence, like everything from zero, like from scratch. You'll get everything. Do we have to make projects? You can make projects. You don't have to make projects. You just have to do certain labs. And उसमें projects नहीं होंगे जो वो cloud console पे ही होगी, like उनके उनकी ही Google Cloud की website पे आपको थोड़ी बहुत चीजें करनी होंगी. वो एक्चुअली प्रोजेक्ट्स नहीं हो सकते, समझ लो कुछ टास्क करने होंगे, लाइक आपको उस चीज के बारे में पढ़ाया जाएगा, देन वो आपको एक अकाउंट प्रोवाइड कराएगा, आपको उस अकाउंट पे लॉग इन करना होगा, देन आपको वो लैब जो उसके लैब के इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं वो आपको पूरे फॉलो करने होंगे एंड वो आपको लैब पूरी करनी होगी, देन उसके बाद आपको एंड लैब क्लिक करोगे, देन उसके बाद सबमिट क्लिक करोगे एंड दैट लैब विल बी सबमिटेड. So ऐसे करके you have to guys just complete all the 37 labs of the GCCF and 9 labs of the GenAI. I belong from Pune. Will I get swag? So if you have registered for that event from like PSIT, then yeah, like you will get swags. नहीं यार देखो, swags you if complete all the labs then we receive mail for swags. No, actually you won't receive mail for swags. Swags will be shipped to the facilitator, that would be me, and I'll distribute the swags to you. If you I'll just publish out the list of people who are eligible for the swags, who got the swags. Like if there are 40 people, then the first 40 people who completed the course, if we are in like tier 3, and if there are 40 people who complete the course, so the first 40 people I will be publishing the list of the first 40 people, and for those people I will be just providing the swags. Strategy for getting swag, strategy will be that you guys can help each other. You have to solve each other's problem. Like अगर आप अपना कोई lab कर लेते हो and किसी को उस lab में problem आ रही है, तो you guys can just talk to each other and solve each other's problems. तो ऐसे करके सबका course complete होता रहेगा. बाकी last week में I'll just create a GitHub repository धीरे धीरे, and I'll last week में मैं सबके answers डाल दूंगा. तो अगर कोई भी pending रह जाए तो बैठ के सारे, ठीक है. Course link, how can I register for the course? Sorry Saurabh, but the course registrations are ended. You cannot register them now. Register for that now. Okay. I register for Google X GFG Cloud Bootcamp. Shall I continue that? Yeah, you can continue that, Ayush, if you have not received the mail for this. You can even continue that with this also. They are most likely the same course. Yeah, so GCC of course has started. So you guys have to do one thing. You don't have to register for the GenAI. Listen to me. This is really important, and tell your friends also. You don't have to register for the GenAI course right now. You can only register after the 18th. And if you guys register now, then your access code will be ruined. It cannot be used again, and you will not get the course. So if you want to get the GenAI course, you have to register after the 18th of September, because that's when we will going to have the GenAI course available for our GDSC campus. Yeah, it's totally free. Everything is free. Like from swags to certificates to the course, everything is free. Even when you are using the Google Cloud for assignments, that is also free. When did the registration ended on 3rd of September at 10 p.m. What if I already started Gen AI? See that. See for that. If that course is available to you, then I guess you should stop, because we were told that the Gen AI will be available to us on 18th of September. And if you have, I think your progress will not be tracked for that course. So if even if you do that course, it won't result into like swag. You won't be eligible for swags. Any more questions? Yeah, okay, I can see the community forming. When can we begin doing the labs? Yeah, you guys can begin doing the labs like from today. GCCF labs, you can begin from today. You can go to the mail that you have received, and you can follow the instructions and register for the skill boost and redeem the course. Then you can start doing the labs from today. Programming knowledge is not necessary for a cloud actually. The programming knowledge, the DSA thing you guys study is not necessary for cloud. Cloud is a different thing. You guys have to understand the others aspect of the computer science as well. Computer science is not only about the DSA and lead code. It's also about creating things, like managing things. It's also the technologies that you have to master. लाइक अगर आप कोई वेबसाइट पुश करते हो तो उसका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कैसे मैनेज करोगे, ये होता है क्लाउड। क्लाउड में प्रोग्रामिंग बहुत रेयर कभी कहीं यूज होगी। क्लाउड की एप्लीकेशंस बनाओगे तो ऑब्वियसली इट्स गोइंग टू बी प्रोग्रामिंग, बट क्लाउड को मैनेज करना, क्लाउड को मेंटेन करना एंड डिप्लॉय करना इज वेरी रेयरली हम लोग कहीं प्रोग्रामिंग यूज कर रहे होंगे। So can you please provide the list of candidates who have received the mail of select? Okay, I can provide you that tomorrow only, because even I have not gotten the list yet. They are going to send me the list tomorrow. So yeah, I'll be sharing the list tomorrow. Yeah, anyone can register, like from any college. They just have to register under the name of PSIT, GDSC PSIT, and they can register. And kindly for your information, the registrations are now closed, and you can register for other events that are coming up soon and the next month, in the next month most probably. So you guys can register for the, like, cloud event is over now. Registrations for the cloud, this event is over, and you guys can register. Please send the redeem code guide video in the WhatsApp group. Okay, wait, I am just sharing you the video. Okay, guys, I have added the video in the group description. You guys can just check out. Okay, how the redeem code mail looks like. Wait, let me show you the mail that how it looks like. So you see, this is how your mail is going to look like. Like, congratulations, you are enrolled for the campaign. Then this is going to be your code. Then this is the video. There is a link in given in the video itself. Okay. So if you guys have any questions, you guys can just ask, and we can. If not, then we can end the session. And if Saloni, do you want to say anything to the participants who are here? Hello, Saloni. Saloni, you're not like audible. Yeah, almost. The session is almost complete, and yeah,
Hello.
Saloni.
Okay, am I audible now?
Yeah, yeah, you are audible.
I'm sorry, there's some issue with this mic. Okay, so I was just saying ki I think you covered pretty much everything, and it was a great session. And I think people here seem really excited. I mean, maybe because of swags, but yep, exactly. Yes,
Even for us right now, the swags are the main thing.
exactly. That is the thing.
So yeah, so that's the so that was a like wrap up for the session, and thank you all for joining. You guys can follow us on Instagram at gdsc.psit. Don't forget, all the important announcements will be made there, so you guys can follow the GDSC PSIT page. And if anything comes up, even if they don't come in your official groups, they will be there on GDSC PSIT, and you can reach out to us on that Instagram page. And you guys can also reach out to us on LinkedIn on our phone numbers, and also in person. So that was the session, guys. Thank you all.
Yep, and also we'll be making a Discord channel for you all. Um, so everything, like pretty much everything, will be posted there. So just wait for some time and we'll be sharing the links for the Discord channel too.
Yeah, and also one thing more, for the people who are doing this course, kindly spread the word about like GDSC courses that are also coming soon. Like we are going to have many events soon, so you can just spread the word, help us out there to let other students learn new things, and we conduct so that we can conduct smooth sessions. You guys can also be a part of the team as well. We are soon going to roll out forms for the teams that would be under the leads. So that's all from us. Thank you guys for an amazing
Thank
session.
you all.